class is split into two. One is main class, second one is subordinate class. Main class, second one is subordinate class. Class வந்து ரெண்டா ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றோம். ஒன்னு main class, இன்னொன்னு வந்து subordinate class னு சொல்றோம். இந்த main classக்கு இன்னொரு நேம் என்ன அப்படினா independent class. Independent class. ஏன் independent class அப்படிங்கறனா main class can stand alone. இதுக்கு சப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கு, verb இருக்கு, it gives a full meaning. So இதனால வந்து தனிச்சு நிக்க முடியும். அதனால இது வந்து independent, it is not depend upon anything. ஆனா subordinate class நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் அப்படினா dependent class அப்படிங்க. subordinate class நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் dependent class. main class வந்து independent class ஆவும், subordinate class வந்து நம்ம dependent class ஆவும் சொல்றோம். இந்த subordinate class வந்து three types ஆ split பண்றோம். subordinate class வந்து three types ஆ split பண்றோம். ஒன்னு அப்படினா noun class. ஒன்னு வந்து noun class. The second one is adjective class. The second one you are calling as a adjective class. Third one adverbial class. Third one is a adverbial class. Adverbial class. In the adverbial class 8 types are split பண்றோம். Adverbial class நம்ம எவ்வளவு டைப்ல split பண்றோம் அப்படினா 8 types are split பண்றோம். One is adverbial class of place. Adverbial class of place, same thing. Adverbial class of place, adverbial class of time, adverbial class of conception, adverbial class of conception, adverbial class of condition, adverbial class of condition, adverbial class of result, adverbial class of reason, adverbial class of purpose. So இந்த மாதிரி 8 types ஆ நம்ம adverbial class split பண்ணோம். Next we see the main class. இப்போ main class இந்த main class ஓட structure வந்து நாம பார்க்க போறோம். main class ஓட structure with or without, with or without phrase, with or without phrase, subject, verb, again with or without, with or without phrase or object or complement. This is the structure of the main class. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Birds fly. Birds fly. In the given sentence, birds is a subject, fly is a verb. Subject, verb. Then at 4 o'clock I met my friend. At 4 o'clock I met my friend. Birds fly, subject and verb without phrase. Here at 4 o'clock is a phrase. At 4 o'clock is a phrase. With phrase, subject, verb and object. Phrase, subject, verb, object. Next one, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Here I is a subject, am is a verb, a teacher is a complement. A teacher is a complement. Subject is here, verb is here, it is a complement. So this is called as a main class. Subject or verb with or without phrase. So it is a with phrase. I met my friend. Subject, verb and object. I am a teacher. I is a subject, am is a verb, and your teacher is a complement. So this is the main sentence, main class. Next we will see subordinate class. Next we are seeing subordinate class. Could I get one chalk mark? Subordinate class. The subordinate class structure is, we will see what is the structure for the subordinate class. Subordinate class always starts with connective. Subordinate class always starts with connective. All the W which is called as a connective, I will give the list of the connectives. And subject, verb, with or without, with or without phrase or object or complement. Complement. This is a structure for subordinate class. Subordinate class always starts with connective, that is a subordinate conjunction, subject, verb, with or without phrase, object or complement. So here the same thing here. Then I saw a snake. When I saw a snake, I ran out. I ran out. Here, when is a connective or subordinate conjunction. When is a connective or subordinate conjunction. I is a subject, saw is a verb, a snake is an object. I is a subject, ran out is a verb. This part is called subordinate. This part is called subordinate class. Subordinate class. Next one, I ran out is a main class. I ran out is a main class. Here, the difference between main class and subordinate class. When you remove the connectives, it will become one main class. I saw a snake is one main class. I ran out is another main class. So subordinate class always starts with connective. Connective, subject, verb with object. This is a main class. The subordinate class will come either in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. I do not know where she has gone. I do not know where she has gone. I is a subject, do not know is a verb, where is a, it is main class. It is main class. Then where is a subordinate conjunction or you are calling as a connective. She is a subject, has gone is a verb. So this part is a main class. This part is a main class and this part is called as a subordinate class. Main class and subordinate class. Subordinate. In next class we will see what is a noun class.